In this video, we're going to be talking about how to find winning TikTok Shop affiliate products in 2025. I'm going to go over the exact methods that helped me generate over $1.2 million my first year of being a TikTok Shop affiliate. And this is exactly how I consistently go viral and convert those views into sales. Because it all starts with finding the right types of products. It doesn't matter how great you are at making content or if you're posting like 5-10 videos a day. If you're not picking the right types of products, it's going to be very difficult for you to actually make sales as a TikTok Shop affiliate. Product selection will be the difference between a creator that makes $100 and a creator that consistently goes viral and makes over $10,000 every single month. Now, I'm going to be going over two very powerful product research methods that I use. But before we get into that, I want you to understand what makes a winning product a winning product. There are 5 main criteria that every product needs to have in order for it to be considered a winning product. And I'm going to go over each one step by step. Now, the first criteria is that the product needs to solve some sort of problem. Why is this important? Because people that are on TikTok, their dopamine levels are extremely high. And they're not on the platform to make purchases. They're on the platform for entertainment, to have a laugh, you know? So, in order to make a sale, you need to connect with them on an emotional level. And the best way to do that is to tap into their insecurities. Tap into what problems do they face on an everyday basis. For example, having trouble with focusing, having trouble with sleep, hair loss, weight loss. These are all problems people face on an everyday basis. And if you could show them how this product can solve the problems that they're having and take them from the current state that they're in, so much pain, so much suffering, and show them how this product can take them from that current state and take them to the desired outcome, which is having better sleep, which is staying more focused and locked in so they can get more work done, you know, losing a couple of pounds. They're gonna buy the product if you show them how it's the solution to the problem they're facing, right? Now, the second criteria is proven demand, at least 2,000 units sold. Why is this very important? Because you want some sort of proof of concept. And as a completely new listing, a completely new product on the platform, on TikTok Shop, it takes a little bit of time for that product to get momentum and start getting sales. You as the creator, you're gonna have to put in so much more effort, so much work to actually make that product work because there isn't any momentum yet. So you wanna hop on the product once it starts having momentum. And the best time is when the product already has over 2,000 units sold. And that brings me to the third criteria. Avoid saturation. Stay away from products that have over 300,000 units sold because the audience is already fatigued. They have seen this product so many times that they're just swiping as soon as somebody talks about that problem that they're facing. They're swiping because they're tired of seeing the same exact videos. And keep in mind, 300 units sold, there are already thousands, if not tens of thousands of creators making videos about that product. So you don't want to jump on that product. It's going to be hard for you to make sales. Now, the fourth criteria is viral potential. Products or similar products should have few existing viral videos. This is important because you want the product to have some sort of proof of concept, videos that you could emulate and take inspiration from for your videos, right? And it doesn't only have to be for that specific product. It could be very similar products that solve the same exact problem. You could take existing videos from that product and put it into your product, right? Very powerful move. Now, the fifth criteria, which is one of the most important criterias, is having an unfair advantage. Products that you have a unique strength selling. For example, if you're into fitness, sell weight loss products. If you're a 50-year-old woman that looks 25, sell anti-aging products. If you have kids, sell kids products. If you have a nice car, sell car gadgets. These are all unique strengths that you have. So if two people are selling the exact same products, for example, an anti-aging product, and you're 50 years old that looks 25, and there's a 19-year-old that's selling that product, who do you think is going to make the sale? You are. People are just going to scroll past that 19-year-old's video because there is no trust. There isn't no connection. You fit the product so well, so it's going to be easier for you to make the sale. Now, these are the 5 main criteria that every product needs to check out. Now, let's get into the 2 very powerful research methods. Now, let's get into the first product research method, and it's free. It's using TikTok Shop's marketplace. Literally, TikTok shows you exactly what products are doing good. And if they check all of these criterias, that means they're a winning product. So let's go on the product marketplace, go on top selling, and look at all of these products, right? Let's take a look at the first product, which is a GLP-1 patches, a metabolic balance patches. This is a huge problem-solving product. It has proven demand, right? Over 2,000 units sold, under 300,000 units sold. It has viral potential. You could find a bunch of videos that you could use as inspiration and emulate on. And if you have an unfair advantage selling this product, for example, if you're into fitness, weight loss, I would highly suggest you promote this product. There you go. First product, winning product. Let's move on. Boom. Teeth whitening. 500,000 units sold. That's already too oversaturated, so I would stay away from this product. However, if it had less than 300,000 units sold, and if you have an unfair advantage selling, for example, if you had yellow teeth in the past, but now you have white teeth, you have an unfair advantage selling this product. Now let's move on. Boom. Goli, ashwagandha, apple cider vinegar, pre-postbiotic. If you have an unfair advantage selling this bundle, I would highly suggest you promote this product because all of these products, this bundle solves a huge problem. And it has proven demand, and it has less than 300,000 units sold, and it has viral potential because I've seen a bunch of videos that went viral for this product, right? So that's already 3 products that we looked for. 2 of them is a winning product, and you could use the marketplace. Look, top rated, trending, most searched. TikTok is literally telling you what products to promote. So that's the first method, right? Now let's move on to the second method. Very powerful tool that you could use that could save you so much time and headache into actually finding those winning products. And not only does this tool help you find winning products, it also has viral videos that you could emulate on, right? Let's go on that website, the Daily Viral. And I personally know the owner and founder of this tool, and I got you guys a 30-day free trial so you could just test that out for completely free without even committing to it, right? So let's go on and try to find a winning product. Remember the GLP patches? Boom, right here, winning product, and a video so you could take that video for inspiration, right? Boom, this product, great product. Let's see. 200,000 units sold, hits all of the criterias, solves a huge problem, 300,000 units sold, proven demand, and it has a viral video that you could emulate on, right? Let's look at this, the creatine monohydrate, boom, 2.7 million views on this video. Easy, right? You could emulate on this video, and it hits all the criterias. It's a problem solving, proven demand, less than 300,000 units sold. So if you have an unfair advantage, that makes it a winning product. Boom, you could continue. You know, this shows you all the viral videos, and it's so easy because you know there's already proven demand and there's videos that went viral for that product, right? Look, 13 million views, winning product. Let's see. if it solves a problem. 8,000 units sold. Does it solve a problem? I wouldn't promote this product. Boom, this product, let's see, solves a huge problem. Solar power bank, 100,000 units sold. You see, this tool makes it so much easier. In the first page itself, we found like 5 products already. So use this tool for completely free for 30 days. And yeah, these are the 2 main methods that I use to find all of my products. Just make sure that it solves a problem, right? Has proven demand, avoid oversaturation, has viral potential, videos that went viral already for that product or similar products that solve the same problem, and most importantly, that you have an unfair advantage selling that product. And now you have the 2 methods that work. You have the 5 criteria to look over, and I can guarantee you the next product that you find checks all of those 5 criterias. It's going to be a lot easier for you to go viral, and it's going to be easier for you to convert those views into sale. And if you found this video helpful and you want to work with me directly one-on-one so I can help you find winning products, so I can help you break down viral videos and help you go viral and convert those views into actual sales so you could finally hit your first 5 to 10K months, there is a link down below. Book a call and we'll see if we're a good fit to work with each other. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel because I make videos like this all the time. Peace.